I started to go through the wiring. There's all kinds of crazy things going on here. Now the minus is quite easy to figure out. It goes to the engine and to the frame. Take a look at the plus. There's red wire and black wire that go through. There those are probably original. And there's these wires that are also, I think, original. Yeah, it goes to the engine and alternator. The blue wire, it goes through the firewall. It comes around there. It's radio. These two brown wires go through there. And they come through here. There's a professional looking connection. And it changes to thicker black wire that goes through the firewall. Oh, what's this? Looks like a lamp socket, but there's no lamp. And it's obviously broken. There's also that black wire and also another black wire that comes back. This doesn't look original either. It goes there. This one's for the I-beams. Why do you people do things like this? This blue wire, we have to keep our eyes open. Let's go find out where these two black wires go. But there's also these two black wires. Minus connection. It's the origin is supposed to be here behind the airbag. This is the wire. It goes around steering wheel. There it goes. Oh, radio. But why did he have the another blue plus wire coming from the other side? Doesn't make any sense. Take the antenna out. Another brownish wire. Doesn't go anywhere, it's a ground wire. Interesting connections. There's a red wire. That fuse box is not supposed to be like that either. We'll take a look at this. This is one interesting mess. It seems that these wires are cut. So these wires need to go. This was the horn wire. It's nice to have a radio in your car, but when you are putting it in and you run out of wire, then you come up with this kind of solution. Then don't put on in the radio, because when you see this as the next owner, then you know that the previous owner was a jackass. He either didn't know what he was doing or he just didn't care. Probably both. When you put in the work, please try to do a decent job. At least he used the red tape, and we know what that means. This was the ground wire, speaker wire. So this is turning into those everything that is wrong with my car videos today. Clutch is working, but it's on and off. I'm not sure if that's good or very good. It's all coming apart. You basically feel off-road even when you're on the road. I wonder if this handbrake stopper is original Soviet design. Someone has been welding. what is missing from there. It's this hose, of course. And the brake lights, these are okay. They go to the front wheel. These go here. That one goes over there. What about this? What is this? Same story here. All around rust. So I just took out the side blinkers, and as you can see, the previous owner didn't care very much for this car because it's already turning white, so obviously he hasn't been using a brand name blinker fluid. If there's one thing that you should know about cars, always use brand name blinker fluids. So this doesn't happen to your car.